Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Throttle Grotto. Today we're doing the drawing for the Rescarfo or Recaro Scarf giveaway. That's coming up next on this episode of Throttle Grotto. Hey everybody, welcome back. So I've got everything all set up on the computer here, and I'm just going to run through real quick and show you guys how I'm doing the drawing, and then we'll announce the winner. Okay, so we have 3 videos here that are eligible for the drawing. First one is where we announce the giveaway, and here we have a total of 4 comments. It says 8, but each one of those 4 has a reply from me. On to the second one, we have 3 more comments for a total of 7. And the third one, 2 more comments for a total of 9. So we will go over to random.org and put 1 through 9 in a random number generator and generate a result. And 3 will put us in the first video, and that looks like Dylan Cars is going to be the winner of the Rescarfo giveaway. So congratulations to Dylan. Thanks for commenting. Thanks to the rest of you for commenting and subscribing to our channel. I'm going to get in touch with Dylan today and get his contact info so I can send him out his scarf and decals. It has been an absolutely insane week here at Throttle Grotto. Lots of things changing, and like nothing bad, just a lot of things going on this week, and I have a whole lot of stuff to talk to you about in next week's video, which I'm still working on. So stay tuned till next week for some exciting announcements. And again, congratulations to Dylan Cars for winning the Rescarfo giveaway, and thanks to everyone else who has subscribed and supported the channel. So until next week, get out there and work on something.